Are you thinking of buying a new car in 2025? Well, hold on. You might want to think again. In this video, we're diving deep into the 13 worst car brands that you'll probably regret buying in the upcoming year. I'm talking about cars that not only disappoint in performance, but also plummet in reliability, cost, and resale value. Stick around to the end, because the last brand on our list might surprise you, and you definitely want to know why. So before you make any big decisions, don't miss out on this vital information. Let's get started. Number 1. Ford, falling behind in innovation. Let's kick things off with Ford. In recent years, Ford has been known for its iconic trucks and performance vehicles. But as we head into 2025, they're lagging behind in terms of innovation, particularly with their electric vehicle lineup. While many competitors have surged forward with cutting-edge EVs, Ford's attempt to break into the electric market has been sluggish. The Mach-E has its merits, but when you compare it to the competition, it just doesn't stand out. This lack of innovation could hurt Ford's reputation and make you regret that purchase down the line. 2. Fiat, reliability issues and poor resale value. Next up is Fiat. While they've had some fun, quirky models, the Fiat 500 and other models have struggled with reliability over time. Owners often report issues with the electrical system, transmission, and build quality. And when it comes to resale value, Fiat takes a serious hit. You'll be lucky if you can get even half of what you paid for when you try to resell it. So if you're thinking of buying one in 2025, you may want to reconsider, because you could be stuck with a car that's prone to breaking down and depreciates faster than you think. 3. Chrysler, aging technology and poor reliability. Up next, Chrysler. While Chrysler has had some solid models in the past, they're seriously lacking in tech and innovation in 2025. Their cars have an outdated infotainment system, lack basic safety features that competitors now offer standard, and fall short in terms of engine reliability. Whether you're looking for a family car or a performance model, Chrysler's older tech and design flaws could leave you regretting your purchase after only a few months of ownership. You deserve better for your money in 2025. Number 4. Land Rover, expensive repairs and poor longevity. Land Rover is known for luxury and off-road capability, but the reality is much different. While they have the reputation of being tough and rugged, the repair costs on Land Rovers can be astronomical. A common complaint among owners is that their cars suffer from poor longevity, with frequent breakdowns happening well before the expected 100,000-mile mark. And the worst part, their repair bills are often sky high. You could end up paying a fortune for something that doesn't last. If you're planning to buy a Land Rover in 2025, think twice. 5. Nissan, diminishing quality and costly repairs. Let's talk about Nissan. Nissan has been around for years, but in 2025, their cars just aren't cutting it anymore. Whether it's the poor handling, cheap interior materials, or lack of cutting-edge features, Nissan's models seem stuck in the past. Add to that diminishing reliability and rising repair costs, and you've got a recipe for regret. Nissan's not the value buy it once was, and many buyers find themselves shelling out more for repairs after just a few years. It's time to look elsewhere. 6. Tesla, reliability concerns and long-term issues. Now let's talk about Tesla, the darling of the electric car world. While Tesla has made huge strides in the EV industry, their cars have serious reliability issues that have only gotten worse over time. Owners often complain about issues with the build quality, fit and finish, and interior materials that feel subpar for the price. Additionally, there are reports of battery degradation and autopilot glitches, which could leave you with an expensive car that doesn't perform as promised. Don't get me wrong, Tesla's tech is impressive, but their reliability leaves much to be desired. 7. Mitsubishi, declining popularity and limited options. Moving on to Mitsubishi, a brand that used to be known for affordable cars but has been in serious decline. In 2025, Mitsubishi is struggling with limited options, a lack of innovation, and fewer models to choose from. Their cars are often criticized for being cheaply made, with poor interior quality and a lack of advanced safety features. While they may have some lower-cost models, you're likely to find much better value and quality from other brands. 8. Buick, overpriced and underperforming. Buick has been around for a long time, but in 2025, their cars just aren't worth the price. Buick models are often overpriced for the level of performance and features they offer. Many of their cars lack the technology and comfort you would expect from a brand in that price range. For what you pay for a Buick, you could easily find a car that performs better, lasts longer, and has more advanced features. 9. Subaru Expensive Maintenance and Depreciation. Now, let's talk about Subaru, a brand known for its all-wheel drive cars and rugged performance. While Subaru makes some solid vehicles, they often come with expensive maintenance costs and poor resale value. Many Subaru owners report that their cars are prone to costly repairs, especially when it comes to the transmission and head gasket issues. And once you drive it off the lot, expect rapid depreciation, meaning it won't hold its value for long. 10. Honda, outdated models and lack of innovation. Lastly, we have Honda, a brand that has long been synonymous with reliability. However, in 2025, Honda's models have become outdated and are falling behind in terms of innovation. Their cars still rely heavily on old technology, and they're lagging behind other brands when it comes to electric vehicles and advanced features. While they're still solid cars, they just don't have the same appeal they once did. 11. Kia, reliability concerns and cheap interior. While Kia has made huge strides in terms of affordability and style in recent years, it still struggles with reliability in some of its models. Owners have reported issues with electrical systems, transmission failure, and poor interior build quality. Despite offering lower prices, many people find that their Kia's longevity doesn't match up to its competitors. And while the brand offers competitive warranties, once that warranty expires, you're left with expensive repairs that could have been avoided. For 2025, Kia may not be your best choice if you're looking for something that lasts long term. 12. Cadillac, poor fuel economy and expensive repairs. Let's talk about Cadillac. While the brand is known for luxury, many of their models fall short in terms of fuel efficiency and long-term reliability. Cadillac's luxury vehicles often suffer from expensive repairs, especially when it comes to their electrical systems and engine components. The fuel economy on some of their larger models is also disappointing, with many owners reporting they're spending more than they anticipated at the pump. So if you're eyeing a Cadillac in 2025, think twice. It might end up costing you much more than you expected. 13. Mercedes-Benz, reliability issues and high repair costs. Finally, we have Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes is synonymous with luxury and high performance, but the reality of owning one in 2025 might leave you with some buyer's remorse. Over the years, their models have faced reliability issues, especially with their electrical systems and suspension components. And let's not forget about maintenance costs. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are known for high repair bills and expensive parts. While you're paying top dollar for luxury, you might find that you're getting less than what you expected in terms of reliability and overall cost of ownership. There you have it, the 13 worst car brands to avoid in 2025. Have you ever owned one of these cars, or do you have a brand you think should have made the list? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car insights that can help you make smarter decisions. Stay informed, stay ahead, and make sure you're buying the best car for your needs.